Hey, I'm Eddie Dolphin, the CEO of Dherbs.com, and here at Dherbs we get tons of health-related questions. But this week we're going to tackle hearing loss. Our first question comes from Danye LOL. Why exactly does extremely loud sounds damage the ear and cause possible hearing loss? This is a fact. Basically, there's a structure behind the eardrum called the cochlea. Inside the cochlea, we have tiny little hairs that vibrate the sound and turn into electrical signals so your brain can understand. But when it's too loud, it actually damages those hairs. Believe it or not, those hairs can actually die and they can't be replaced. When you're in these loud areas, make sure you're using things to protect your ears, especially at sporting events, concerts, anywhere where they're using power tools. Our next question comes from Vaguely Interested. If the red zone in headphone causes hearing loss or ear damage, why do manufacturers allow them to be that loud? This is complex. The big problem is that headphones are stupid. Your headphones don't know what you're listening to. So therefore, if you're listening to someone whispering, you may have to turn that sound all the way up. But now for a rock song, if you turn it up, you can seriously damage your ears. Adding to that, whatever device is playing the song through your headphones, whether it's your phone, your computer, or your electrical keyboard, it doesn't know what it's outputting to. The volume may be way too loud for your earbuds, but might be totally fine for speakers at your outdoor event. So basically, it comes down to the user. It's up to you to determine whether or not it's too loud for your ears. Our last question comes from Odante. Since hearing aids often involve amplification of external sound, how do they work without further degrading the ear's hearing? This is fiction. Hearing aids do amplify the sound, but it doesn't amplify every sound equally. Here's how it works. Imagine this: if you have a bunch of glasses of water, some are empty, some are half full, and some are right at the brim. Now you're gonna pour water in each of the glasses to the brim. For the glass that's almost empty, that's a lot of water. For the ones that are already full, anything that we add to it is just gonna spill over the edge. It's the same thing with the sound your hearing aid amplifies. It doesn't boost the loud things as much as the soft ones. Now, this is just a general explanation because hearing aids can be set to different environments the way it actually takes in the sound. And to be honest, hearing aids wouldn't work as well if it actually made your hearing worse. That's all for today, and thanks for watching Fact or Fiction. And if you have any questions that you want answered, you can email us at factorfiction@dherbs.com. or message us on social media. In the meantime, like, subscribe, and don't forget to stay healthy.